Charity sees the need, not the cause. A powerful image can evoke emotions, tell a story, and connect with your audience on a deeper level. That's where Paymattic's custom images comes in. Here's how it works. From here, pick any simple form template. See the generic image, swap it with your own. Choose a photo that captures the essence of your cause, showcases the impact of donations, or simply tell a compelling story. Remember, high-quality visuals matters. But if you are feeling savvy, opt for a donation progress item. Click the photo option, choose your masterpiece. Feeling super savvy? Hit this gear icon. Then image to select or upload. Bam! Instant visual impact. Remember guys, a picture is worth 1,000 donations. So, ditch the text-only snooze fest and use high-quality, relevant images that tell your story and evoke emotions. Remember to A/B test different options to see what resonates best with your audience.